Or sometimes, you know, you just want to glow. Like you cannot come and kill yourself. You just want to glow. So today, that's what I'm doing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Funke Awe. I'm back again with another video. So guys, if you're tuning in for the first time, thank you for coming, thank you for clicking. Make sure you subscribe so you get to keep seeing more of me. You know, you don't want to miss any of my videos. And if you're coming back again, you know, a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Okay, I got so much love for you. So basically today we are doing something a little bit different. As you can see, I have like a really simple makeup look on. Basically a everyday simple, you know, glowy makeup routine for all my, you know, minimal makeup users out there. You know, girls that don't want to go through the stress of putting on eyeshadow, girls that don't even know how to put on eyeshadow, you know, just a very simple makeup routine. I just went through all the steps I go through when I'm in a hurry and I don't want to do too much, but at the same time I want to look fire, you know. So guys, that's what I did in this video. And also I am going to be unboxing and using some products from this beauty subscription box, Cohorted. This is UK's #1 beauty subscription box, guys, and basically it's just like your regular beauty subscription box. It comes with some full size, some minimal size, sample size products, and most products are full size as well. It actually came with a whole Morphe palette. It came like this, so obviously it couldn't get inside here, so it came like this. A full Morphe palette. I don't think I showed you guys in this video, but I didn't use it in this video. So my next video I'm going to be showing you guys all the colors. My next video where I use it, I'm going to show you guys all the colors, but this video I didn't use it. So anyway, this was what came. This was how it came, and I'm going to be unboxing it for you. I'm using a few of the products on my face. I used a few of the products to achieve this look right here. And yes guys, keep watching, like, share, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. Okay, and you know, keep watching if you like to see how I achieve this simple, minimal, everyday makeup. And yes guys, let's get right into it. Okay, this is how it looks. So I'm just going to be bringing everything out. This was September's box. I'm sure I said that in my intro already, but yeah, this was September's box, and this is how it came. Everything in here, the catalog that has all the information and everything. It's going to have like the prices of all the individual products in here, and also, you know, how to use them if you don't know how to use it, if you don't know what is. Basically, just check the book, and then everything is in there. I'm just gonna go straight ahead and just show you guys everything. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stuff in here. Not everything is like makeup. Not everything is like skin or makeup stuff. Some stuff I have something here that's for hair, and I might as well just start with that. I'm going to just take down my light a bit so I can show you guys products. Like, I don't know what is for. I'm just going through this book to see what the hell it is. Basically, it's a anti-humidity hair treatment. So I'm sure it's basically helps fight frizzy hair. Let's just read the direction for you. It says shampoo, condition, towel, dry hair, divide into sections, spray evenly on damp, not wet hair. Do not apply other styling products to damp hair. Blow dry each section using a brush to hold hair. Requires blow drying to activate. For best results, use every 3 to 4 shampoos. So I'm guessing it's best to use this to apply heat when you're using it. So this is going to work. That's it for that. No, I'm obviously not going to be using that today because I'm not even sure how it's going to work for my natural hair. It looks like a little cupcake in there, so I'm guessing So I'm guessing you have to just, you know, throw it in your bath and then you have yourself an awesome shower, or not shower, an awesome bath time. Okay, so next I've already shown you guys two products. So that's the hairspray and the bath bomb. Guys, this thing smells amazing. It's like, now I wish you could smell this. I really wish you could smell this. I don't know if any of you have tried this before. It's called Marc Jacobs Decadence, and I've heard like quite a few things from a few people about it, and they're like, oh my gosh, it's amazing. This is like the little sample size, but yeah, you can always get the regular actual size. So yeah, so guys, that's it for all the non-makeup stuff, because basically I'm doing a makeup video today, aren't I? Like, that's what we are doing today. We are doing a simple everyday makeup look. So now I am left with the remaining stuff. They're all makeup stuff, so I guess this is what I'm working with today. This is the main event of the day. Don't mind me guys, I'm just excited. First I have the Uva Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops, and I have something else from Uva Beauty, which is a Moisture Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's also from Uva Beauty. Next I have three little cutesy little stuff from Milk Makeup. First thing I'm going to show you guys is the Milk Makeup highlighter. It's like a thick highlighter, and it looks like that. And I have a little mist as well. So just like a spray, like a makeup spray or setting spray, primer spray. You can use it for whatever. It's a mist. I'll show you guys in a bit. And last, we have this right here. This product is a mini sunshine oil. It is a mixture of natural oils including grapeseed, avocado, which is excellent for moisturizing skin as well as reducing signs of aging. That sounds good. So I'm going to read how to use it real quick. How to use it. It says apply oil all over your face, especially the dry areas. Massage or gently pat into the skin with fingers, ensuring that excess oil is not wasted. So guys, that's it for that. Is an oil. So guys, I'm going to start by using this oil on my face. I'm just going to roll it over my face. I don't know. My face is pretty dry right now because I haven't moisturized today, so I need as much moisturizer as I can get. I'm going to just use the illuminating drops I showed you guys earlier. I'm just going to put that on all my high points. I just drop one here, and here as well. So guys, I'm going to rub that on my face. I think I used this so much. Now that my face is all illuminated, I'm just going to use my foundation. I'm using my Nova Beauty in my skin concealer today, so that's why I'm conceal my face. And I'm using the shade 45. I'm using the shade 45 to highlight. So guys, to achieve a flawless skin, what I like to do next is to go in with my powder palette, and I go to the one closest to my shade, my skin shade. I go to the one closest to my skin shade, which for me I think is this one, and then I go to that one and I just use that to basically set my whole face. If you have a setting powder that's close to your skin, you can just go ahead and use that. But when I'm focusing on my skin, I like to make sure my skin is perfect. I use a dense brush and I just set my whole face. You have to be careful while doing very soft and pat, just so you don't smudge your face. Today I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This one. It's in the medium shade, so that's what I'm going to do. I go into it like so, and then I tap on my hands, just so it's not too much, because I don't want to like big. So this is what I like to do. I just like this way. Mind you, if I was going for a bold eyeshadow look, I wouldn't put the setting powder on my eyes, just because I want my eyeshadow to be really pigmented. So I want it to be on my concealer and not like powder. So basically, I wouldn't have put it on my eyes if I was going to do like a big bold eyeshadow look. But since I'm just in a natural everyday look, then I might not need to do that. A whole lot of moisturizing stuff on my face. That illuminating drop, that drop was really oily. Like, so I don't just have the milk oily stuff. I don't just have this that was oily. The illuminating drop was also oily as shit. Like, was oily. So I need to make sure my face is secure. That's what I'm doing. And now when I'm done with this, I'm just going to give myself some contour. So for contour, I'm using this. I'm going to use this shade just to contour my face. I didn't cream contour because you don't have to do that all the time. You don't always have to contour, cream contour basically. You don't always have to do that. And as well, just powder contour, and you still have the same result. I'm going in with the edge of this brush, because this brush is my contour brush, and it has a lot of contour residue on it. So I'm just going to use that to contour my nose. I don't want to do anything. This is like easiest and simplest way to get your skin makeup flawless. In the shade Awakening, the shade is called Awakening. So I'm just going to say, it smells so good, guys. Take that. I'm going to take the face mist from Milk. I'm going to take that and just use that to spray my face. So guys, we are done with the look. I'm just going to go ahead and pack my hair in a bun real quick while my face dries up, and I'm going to show you guys the end result. I hope you are loving it as much as I'm loving it, because I love how my face is glowing. Like, it's been a while I did makeup and my face wasn't like super matte and just, you know, dry, but today my face is really glowing and, you know, glowy, and I'm loving it. So yes guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just going to go ahead and pack my hair up in a bun real quick, and it's a wrap. I mean so guys, I am back. I packed my hair up in a bun, and if you like to see a video of how I did this, how I got my hair like this, then I think you should let me know. You know, let me know, and I just might put up a video doing it. And yes guys, so we are done with the look for today. This is actually a really glowy everyday makeup look for all my dry skin girls out there. I don't have dry skin, I have like combination skin, but you know, sometimes, you know, you just want to glow. Like, you cannot come and kill yourself, you just want to glow. So today, that's what I'm doing guys. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. Let me know down below how your thoughts about this video, what you like to see me do next. You know, let me know. Communicate, let's communicate, okay? Alright guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, you know, all that good stuff. Of course, don't forget, okay? And I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, bye.